Yes, it is that time. It is spring. $68.
Scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, also known as a buster. She ain't got no money in the bank.
Take a minute, girl, come sit down and tell us what's been happening.
Alright, divas, welcome back. It's your girl Desiree, and I'm back with another video. Hey. Well, if you are new, welcome. This is my beauty channel that I have a lot of unboxing videos, got some hair videos, and maybe some makeup tutorials coming soon. I don't know. Your girl's still learning how to do makeup, so I guess you might as well see if I do good or not. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell button. Definitely turn on your bell notifications, so click on that all so YouTube will notify you. And definitely give this a thumbs up if you like videos like this, because I love videos like this. I love getting the boxes. It's like getting presents like every season. And I do have the spring 2020 Fabfitfun box. So yes, it is that time. It is spring. It's finally getting warmer because I've been getting tired of the snow. Comment down below if you guys love the winter time or what is your favorite season, because I would love to know, because I don't really have a favorite, because sometimes I get tired of it being too hot and then I get tired of it being too cold. So I don't know. But anyways, so before I begin unboxing this beautiful box right here, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about Fabfitfun. So as I said, it is a seasonal quarterly subscription box. It is $49.99 a season, but I do have a link down below and a code you can use to get 20% off. So it's about almost $10 off. Definitely use my link because I do earn a small commission on it, but it helps me out. So what kind of box is this? So this is a lifestyle box. It has fashion, beauty, tech, wellness. It has those type of beautiful things that I absolutely love. They do have two different types of memberships. They do have an annual membership where you would pay everything up front, but you get to save 20% off, or not 20%, $20 off. Right now, I'm still doing quarterly, so I pay the $49.99 each season. To me, that's okay with me. I don't mind. You do get perks for doing the annual membership because you get to pick your items for us other ones that can only do quarterly, because we get the kind of the last pick. But I'm not mad about it. It's kind of more of your preference, what you want to do. Oh, bra strap showing. Alright, so let's begin. If this is your first unboxing video, welcome. I do have a lot more unboxing videos like this, so I will have them all linked down below for you. But let's begin with this one. So, where's my scissors? Okay, here's my little baby scissors. Let's open this up together. Okay, I'm cutting up the box. Should have got my other scissors. This really shouldn't be this hard. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. There we go. Alright. Ooh. You guys didn't know my favorite color is purple, so I am loving this. I kind of wish this was more on the outside and then this was on the inside, but you know what? I'm not complaining. Not complaining. So I think this is gorgeous, and of course in every box it does come with a magazine where it tells you what each item is in the box and just some other cool things that they love to put in the magazine. Of course, they always put the HelloFresh in there. I'm already with HelloFresh, so I'll give that to one of my other friends. And this is new. Okay, so this is from Bite. At home impression kit, a liner treatment. Alright, they gave me a little code, get like $200 off and all of that. Okay, well, I've already had braces. Yeah, so I'm kind of done with that. Let's begin. If I'm looking down, it's because I did write some notes down for myself, but they do have it written in the magazine like I was just saying. So we're going to start with the Caravan Home Diamond woven rug right here. Well, I'm not sure what happened to my footage, but you guys, this bohemian rug is so beautiful. This black and white rug, I feel like can go anywhere, like in a bathroom, in a kitchen, in a bathroom. Personally, for me, I'm gonna put it in my room, and this only runs for like $48. All right, so this is the second one. This is their 2-in-1 Purify and Glow mask collection. This is so cute. Like, look, you guys. Okay, so it comes with 8. So it comes with a total of 4 exfoliating masks that has brown sugar in it, and then 4 of their purifying mud masks that has golden root. Not really sure what golden root is, but it seems like a really good ingredient, so I'm excited. And it comes with a cute brush. You can never have too many brushes, like, come on now. So this runs for $45, you guys. Oh, and right here it does have some background. Who is the artist of this all? I am excited. So it looks like I'm going to be in the house for a while, so it is nice to have some good skincare. Take care of yourselves, okay? Now this is the set of 3 packing cubes in Tutti Frutti. This runs for $40. I was gonna say 45. It runs for $40, and you get small, medium, and a large. As you see, this is the largest one. It does come with a zipper for all 3 of them. State if you've never had packing cubes for your luggage, it will change your life. I don't know about you, but I love myself to be organized. I'm excited about this, and it's so cute. Like, what? This is the Marinella. So this is Marinella body oil, and it does come with pomegranate oil and mangongo. This features a cold press infused 100% pure oil and vitamin. This makes your body feel moisturized. Oh, and there's no harsh chemicals. That's amazing. And it's made in the US. And this runs for $68. It says premium oils. It has argan oil and vitamin E, grapeseed oil, marula oil. Hey, I might have to start using this tonight. Okay, hold on, let me just smell this. Let me just smell it. I can smell lemon in here. So the next thing that I got is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by This Works. I know This Works is a very popular brand. I think I tried one of their other products that I've gotten in a box before, but this is their multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It also has shea butter to moisturize your skin, of course, and this runs for $40. Ooh, and why? Support sleep and skin wellness at night with a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. So you just massage it nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. Okay, so if you're one of those people that sleep with your hands like this will be wonderful, because that is me. Let's see what's next. Okay, Fabfitfun. So I've personally never seen these before. So this is their silicone straws. Silicone. So I'm excited. It comes in 4 different colors, and it comes with a brush in it, and they give you a little holder to put that in to travel with. So bend it like this and put it in here. And this is by Chic and Tonic. This runs for $15, not bad price. This is their Full Bloom collection. Alright, so next we have this Thermal Spring Water. This is for sensitive skin. This is from Avene. This runs for $14, and this is actually a French-based brand right here. Okay, so it has 2 purposes. You can use this to refresh throughout the day, or this is a good setting spray for after your makeup, just to keep it in place all day. And I might as well just try it out. So let's move the hair out the way now. I'm trying to smell it, but I don't really smell anything. And I think I actually got like a smaller one of these, like that size, like in a Birchbox when I used to get them like years back. I just didn't really know what to do with it. Not bad. It's hypoallergenic. And lastly, I did receive a mystery choice. This is kind of what Fabfitfun does. So let's open this bad boy up just to see what it is. Looks like it's gonna be an oil. And I was almost right. All right, it's a serum. So this is from the Better Skin Co. It's their Better Skin Epic C serum. Okay, Power Trio Complex. It's supposed to tighten, brighten, and vitalize. Ooh. So it has vitamin C, of course, and a blend of 2 cutting plant technologies. Of course, vitamin C helps protect the skin, hydrates, and promotes a more youthful, vitalizing appearance. Scented with a hint of lemon. Okay. I'm not sure how much this is supposed to be exactly, since this is a mystery one. So each year, Fabfitfun supports a cause. For this box, it's Dress for Success, and I'm kind of reading off the magazine right here. They help women achieve economic independence by providing programs, services, and a network of support to help them thrive in their personal or professional journeys. That is wonderful, actually. Oh, and if you guys watched the winter 2019 of anybody else's video, because I sadly didn't post mine because I felt like it was a little bit too late to post. They did raise $50,000 for the Women's Alzheimer's Movement. That was from the last box, so that is amazing. Okay. So if you want to learn more, you can go to dressforsuccess.org. All right, so that was everything. So the total value was $293, you guys. Like, what? I only paid $49.99 for it. But again, if it's your first time, you get 20% off. Makes it roughly around $10 off, making it like $39.99 for you. Like, you guys honestly can't beat this. This is honestly one of my favorite subscription boxes that I get. And I love that it's seasonal, and I love getting these products and just trying them, because honestly, if I seen them on the shelf myself, I don't know if I would grab it. Definitely if there were more choices around, I don't know. But good for Fabfitfun allowing me to try this stuff out. And I will have a link down below if you would like to get your first box for 20% off. Spring Love is the code that you would use after you click on my link. And if you guys love this, definitely subscribe and definitely put that thumbs up, and don't forget to comment what was your favorite item in this box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.